Alright guys, just so you know, I got my rear end in, got the new leaf springs. Looks pretty good. As you can see, got the flip kit, got my new 373 geared Posi rear end, and as you can see too, decided to paint the diff color of the truck. Well, as close as possible, but paint it nevertheless, make it look a little bit better. I'm going to attach the drive line right now. Well, about time to get this little shop mfg.com disc brake conversion kit installed today after I did all that rear end work. So we'll get right to it. There's the rotors. Very nice. All the hardware you need with the red powder coated calipers with emergency brake and the bracket. Very cool. Can't wait to get these installed. Okay, so this is the beginning. You get the brake line bracket, one of these adapter brackets, so the caliper bracket will bolt on. Bolt them on at the top. You see those two there. See these two here. Make sure they got red or red Loctite. So let's go for the caliper bracket now. Alright, now we got our caliper bracket on, ready to go. Unfortunately, one of the bolts stripped, so I had to improvise with my own bolt and nut using their washers, so nothing get all marred up. But see, that's what I got right there. But this one's stripped out. I don't know why, but about ready to throw the caliper on now. Well, there we go. Little shop mfg.com disc brake conversion. Pretty nice. Love it. Look at that. Beautiful red powder coated calipers. All the hardware vented, cross drilled and slotted. Beautiful. Look a lot better in the in behind the wheels. Here's the passenger side. Just finished this. As you can tell, it got dark, so got to use all the light. Cross drilled rotors, but slotted as well. Powder coated calipers, even vented. Keep them cool. All the hardware. Beautiful. That's for the brake line. I'm not going to do that tonight. And the emergency brake, I'll do that tomorrow when there's more light. It gets dark too quick. So that's it. Disc brake conversion kit from little shop mfg.com. Beautiful.